One of the main things we did as a class to promote the honors program was creating the Honors Ambassador Scholarship. This scholarship gave a student that was selected for this position a $500 reward, and obviously the student will have to uphold the responsibilities of being an ambassador as well as being an honors student. The reason we thought this would be a good idea is because this student will be like specifically over honors, so when there's like snow blast, they can specifically talk about honors. They will also be actually a part of the honors program, so they will know all the facts about it and actually be accurate. Another thing we did is we created merch. We created things like lanyards, a tablecloth, and stickers. We also rented the bell tower where we are going to set up a booth with the merch and also with food, because who doesn't love food? And these students will be able to come and ask any questions and get a bunch of information. There will also actually be honors students there to answer questions. Another thing we did is we created the staircase campaign, where we will have stickers on the staircases in like the Lucy Phillips building. There will be like a little motto at the bottom, and at the top it will tell you how to join the honors program. And a lot of people obviously see these stairs and they will be able to know exactly how to join. Another thing we did is we created flyers. These flyers have information. It has a little QR code that people can scan, and it'll take them right to the website where the honors program is. And these will be posted around campus and given to high school counselors and everything. And then another thing we did is we created 2 pitch letters, one for the ambassadors and one for the high school counselors. The one for the ambassadors will tell them kind of what the scholarship and everything is and what the program is, and if they want to join and actually become the honors ambassador themselves. And then the high school counselor pitch letter kind of tells them again what the honors program is, and if they want to give it to their students, they can, and it'll tell those students what it is and how to apply and everything like that. And lastly, we made a video, which again, it tells what the honors program is, how to join, but it also tells the benefits of it, and actually has honors program students in there that actually tell like what they loved about it and everything. And this will be posted obviously on the Snow College website, so if people have questions, they can just go watch it, and it can be also given to high schools. And yeah.
So as a PR class, we're able to be very successful in our project, and that's due to the dedication of all the members of our class. So first, we were able to create merchandise. We originally created merchandise on a website and realized that we weren't able to order from that website. So we had to work with other websites and other local companies in order to recreate the original merchandise that we created. And so our merchandise group was able to quickly and effectively create new merchandise that worked on the new websites and with the new companies so that we could order that. And we still haven't ordered it, but we've got it created and approved, so it's ready to be ordered as soon as possible. Secondly, our writing group was able to create flyers, and these flyers have a QR code on them, but the QR code wasn't originally loading onto the flyer. So with lots of trial and error and contacting the director that had the QR code, we were finally able to get the QR code onto the flyer, and now we have flyers that can be distributed all over and to lots of different people. Third, we were able to stick with our budget. When we had to change our merchandise, we realized that through the new websites, our merchandise was going to cost a lot more than we originally planned, and it was more than our budget allowed for. And so we had to make changes to what merchandise we were ordering. We also had to make room for different items that we weren't originally planning on, like flyers and a tablecloth and other things like that. So we were able to make the changes that we needed and still stick with our budget that we were given. And lastly, we were able to meet with lots of different people and get a video created that will be able to be shown to high school counselors and students and anyone interested in learning about the honors program. And so our video group had a lot of scheduling conflicts with all the different people that they were trying to meet with, and took a lot of communication, but they were finally able to meet with the people that they needed and ask the questions and get the footage that they needed for the video. And now we have an amazing video that can be shown to lots of different people. So our class, we experienced lots of setbacks, but we were able to come back from those and to be successful in our project.
What I learned about in public relations is how important it is in societies around the world, because it helps sending the right messages to the right places and the right people, creating a stronger brand reputation. I also learned about group dynamics, which taught me how to work in a group and how to work with people that have different mindset as you. This enhanced my skills in teamwork, leadership, presentations, and public speaking. I learned a lot of things in this class that I had to apply within my assignments and the case study, which were the honors program project that we've been working on. I learned how to make media plans and media strategies and a media kit for them, and where we have to do posters, advertisement, and promotional campaigns. Just made a whole media strategy for them. We also learn how to identify their weaknesses and their strengths and how to tackle them and how to overcome these weaknesses. And these are the things I learned in public relations.